When it comes to this wig, do not judge a book by its cover. How this wig came straight out of the box, it did not look like this. You have to make sure that you define the curls on your curly and kinky curly wigs if you want them to look really good and not like you just threw a wig on your head, okay?
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is gonna be, baby, squad up.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a wig install on this super cute wig from Nadula Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. This is their Kinky Curly 20-inch 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig, and she is super cute. Like, look at the curls on this wig. They're juicy, but at the same time they're moving too, and this length is so nice and natural. I'm really loving it. I think that it complements my face shape and everything really nice. I have a very round face, but for whatever reason, this is giving my face shape too. I think it's because I did just go in the slightest bit and just frame it around my face, and I think that definitely did it. This wig is such a vibe. It is a frontal wig, y'all, but it was super easy to install. It is technically a glueless wig because no glue, no spray was used. It does come with tape on the edges by the ear tabs, so you can just put that on and the wig is ready to go. You don't have to worry about using any combs or anything like that. If you would like to see how I styled this wig today and to find these curls, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from Nadula Hair. So my wig did arrive in this box right here. The wig did come with some freebies. It came with these cute bows, and it also came with an HD wig cap, press-on nails, and an elastic melting band. So this is Nadula Hair's pre-everything wig. It comes with the lace already pre-cut on the wig, y'all, and it's ready to wear straight out of the box. So here is a close-up of the hairline. As you can see, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots have been lightly bleached on this wig, and it has a curly hair texture. As you can see, very, very pretty. So here is the inside of the cap. It has a 13x4-inch transparent lace frontal. As you can see, it has two wig tapes right here on each side so that you can easily wear this wig glueless with this pre-everything tape. There's also silicone gripping all the way around the wig here, and it has adjustable straps here as well. It has one wig comb in the back. So I did go ahead and add my foundation underneath the lace of this wig. Now, I wasn't really able to add the foundation here where the tape is, but I'll put some on top of the lace if I need to. I used the L'Oreal True Match foundation to tint my lace today, and I used the shade W10 Warm Deep. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this wig on and see how snug and secure it feels. I am gonna go ahead and just remove this excess lace that is around the hairline so it just looks more natural and blends in better with my hairline. You may not need to do this, just depending on, you know, how your hairline looks, but everyone's hairline's different, so you'll probably want to go in and cut just a little bit off. So next I'm going to start taking off this tape on the edges of the wig. Just remove this little sticker piece off. And we're going to use this and attach it to the hairline. And then I'm going to do the same on this side as well. And press it on my hairline. Really, it's the skin in front of my hairline. You don't want to put the tape on your hair, you want to put it on skin. So next I'm just going to take a little bit of powder. This is my Makeup Forever HD powder, and I just want to put this on the lace so that it blends in better with my skin tone. This isn't gonna look as laid as if I put glue down on this wig, but I want it to look as close as possible, y'all. I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. So let's part this wig in the middle, y'all. I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer down the parting area here. This is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC45. We're gonna work one side at a time. I'm gonna wet down this hair. I have water with a leave-in conditioner mixed, and I'm just going to lightly dampen the hair because I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mousse just so we can get these curls defined a little bit. I don't want this hair to be super wet, but I want it to be wet enough so that we can define these curls, okay? Next, I'm going to take my Lotta Body and I'm going to generously apply this to the hair all the way from the roots down to the ends. And then I'm going to take this detangling brush and we're going to use this to get the curls nice and defined. Even out this hair a bit, so I'm gonna just cut a little bit right here. So the hair looks more shaped. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side and I'll be right back, y'all. So I went ahead and I did the same on this side as well. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse the hair because I don't want my hair to be wet. So let's do that. So this is what we're working with now, y'all. Look at these curls. If I did not get these curls together, I don't know what you call that, okay? So I'm gonna go in with my Kerastase Elixir. Y'all already know, love this stuff. And I'm gonna use this to make sure the hair is not frizzy. And I'm putting it on the ends mostly. Look at that, y'all. So pretty. And now we are completely done styling this wig. Let me know what y'all think. I think that this turned out super, super cute. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Nadula Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you like my makeup in this video, you definitely have to check out my latest makeup tutorial. I'm gonna leave a link right here. Make sure y'all go check that out next.